Hello besties, welcome again to my channel. It's your girl bobokiddifashion. So if you're new here, you can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest or Facebook. I post amazing behind the scenes. But while you're here, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe and turn notifications so you don't miss out any of my videos or tutorials. So in this video today, we are just taking out this week. My client has had this week for quite a while, so she came so that I could take it down and kind of like treat her hair and wash it and let her hair breathe for a while. So she has been having installs back to back for some time, and she just thought it was time for her to take a break, which I completely agree, because after doing these installs for some time your scalp becomes very irritated and you just need to take a break. So I began by using my rubbing alcohol to just massage on the lace. As you can see, the lace was still very firm, and yeah, so I always say the key to this is patience, right? You really need to be very patient when you're removing a wig, especially a wig that is still very solid like this. Like, it wasn't lifting at all. She could still restyle this if she wanted to, but I guess it was time. So yeah, so I do this in intervals. Like I apply some holding, some alcohol or my glue remover, and I let it sit for some time, and then I go in again and I let it sit for some time. So that's basically what I do over and over and over and over till I feel like it's soft enough for me to proceed. So the purpose is to reduce hair loss as much as possible. That's why I always take a lot of time to do this, because I want to be careful and reduce hair loss as much as possible. So yeah, so yep, so after doing this I let it sit for about 30 minutes, and it was finally soft enough, and now it was time to take it off. So I just kept adding my glue remover and lifting it bit by bit, and yep, so finally the wig was off, and there's what the wig was looking like. Just for you to see that it came out with no single strand of her hair. And that's the first part, right? Now the second part is to get the glue out of her scalp, and that wasn't easy at all, because like I said, the hair was still very steady. And when I say hair by any glue, guys, I mean it. That glue is just something else. It's so perfect for any install. And guys, one of my tips for easily getting glue out of the hair is baby oil. I feel like baby oil is less harsher, because when I took out the wig from her hair, I noticed that her scalp was already irritated, and so I didn't want to go in with more alcohol or glue remover because of the harsh chemicals in them. So I decided to go in with baby oil, right? So yeah, so baby oil is more gentle on the skin, and the glue just easily slides off. So like I said, the key is patience. You just need to be very patient when doing this. So I began by using my comb to just like brush it out a little bit. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to weaken the glue, trying to lift it up, trying to create spaces that I could send that oil to pass through and weaken it from the under, right? So after doing this, I noticed that we might be here for a while. Because it was still very strong, and it wasn't getting off that easily. So I decided to go in with one more layer of baby oil and then proceed to taking down the braids, since I was going to wash the hair anyways. That way I was just going to utilize the time, because I had to let this sit again for another 30 minutes. So within that 30 minutes I had to do something right. So I decided to take down the braids while we were letting the baby oil to do its work. Excuse. So like I said, I went in with more baby oil, massaging it into the glue, into her hair. This softens the glue and weakens it, so that when you're taking it out it just easily slides out, right? So yeah, so guys, after doing this, I'll just go in with my comb as well, and I just send my comb inside to like lift it up, right? since it's stuck to the skin. So I'm just lifting it up so that the oil can get to the inside of the glue. Yeah, so it's because I noticed my, like I said, my client has been having installs back to back for a while, so she needed her scalp to rest. So I didn't want to irritate her scalp more. So instead of using the glue remover or rubbing alcohol, I decided to go with baby oil. And baby oil is really good. It's gentle on the skin and it has no irritants. So yeah. So like, can see what I'm doing when I weaken it with my comb and kind of comb through it a little bit, creating some pores or some space in between the glue. I then go in with the baby oil, and the baby oil just falls through those spaces that I've created and it weakens it from the inside. So this is a great tip for you to use if you want to get rid of your wig and you don't want to damage your hair. So yeah, so guys, so that's it. So I started doing this and I noticed that it was going to be here for a while, and I just had to let it sit for a while I focus on something else. Because the thing is this, right? If you try to force it, you're going to end up losing a lot of hair. You're going to end up losing a lot of hair. So there's no need forcing it. Just let it sit for some time. So in the time being, I was taking out her braids, and by the time I was done, it was really soft and it was easily coming out and with minimum hair loss. Like, she was really surprised because all the glue that I was putting out on the cotton that she was holding, she didn't see any single strand of her hair in it. So overall, I'll say this was a success. So after doing that, I put some conditioner on her scalp to kind of like relieve it, and then this was after washing it, and I went ahead to comb through the hair before I began drying it, because if you know our hair, it's very difficult to comb through while once it's dry. So I used my dryer on hot. Yep, since we already wasted a lot of time getting rid of the glue, and you can see that electricity was going on and off, so it was really tedious to stay, but we made it through. So after doing that, I used my blow dryer on cold now and attached my comb to the end and use it to comb through her hair. And now that we are done with that, I just went ahead to give her some braids, oil her scalp, and that was it, guys. So yep. So thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and comment, and make sure you follow my tip if you want to minimize hair loss after an install. So that's it, guys. See you in my next video, and thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.